Hello, today we are at SIT Telford Campus and with Harsha. Harsha, why don't you introduce yourself?
Thank you. My name is Harsha and I am a program manager and a tutor at Telford Campus. And I teach all the courses offering at Telford Campus, including diploma in agriculture, farming system and equipment level 3, and animal healthcare assistant level 4 program, as well as I'm also supervising some of the research students at Cargill main campus.
All right, it's good. We found that diploma in agriculture, that is one important program. So Harsha, can you please give some sort of a brief or like a benefit for students who plan to follow diploma in agriculture?
So the diploma in agriculture program is one of the main programs we are offering at Telford. So it focuses the theoretical part of the dairy farming, theoretical part of the farming industries in New Zealand, and it also comprises with some of the practical component people need when they engage in farming sector.
All right, why especially Telford Campus?
Telford is the heart of Telford, located at the heart of the dairy farming in New Zealand, somewhere close to the South Island in Otago. So if you choose the Telford, you have a whole lot of opportunities around the area, because most of the dairy farms and sheep farms are located around the Telford, and we have a really big connection with the farming and entrepreneurs around the area. So Telford is helping students to find the jobs opportunities around the area, so you may get more opportunities.
All right.